And we're going to dispatch on Achterbahn, basically German for roller coaster. Here we go. I think we're going to get 2 laps on here as well. Recognise the layout now. Pretty sure it's green screen for Adventure Islands in Southend back in the UK. A larger layout. Oh, the drop tower was so good. I loved it. Flume ride down there as well. Not really the day for a log flume, but might give it a go. Whee! Woo! Ah, love it. Nice in the trees. Woo! Whippy. That's the thing with a lot of rides like this that have the standard layout, you know, you recognise them from different parks out there. So yeah, literally it is green screen. Couldn't tell from on the pathway there just until I looked at it on ride though. It's in the station and thought, yeah, that looks familiar. Walk on. Hey. 2-lap special. That's what we like here on Theme Park Worldwide. Weather's holding off though at the moment, which is good. Love this drop. Whoa. Woo. Hey. Builds up a lot of speed there, a lot of speed. That was great. There we go. That's the Achterbahn here at Bayern Park.